snowed out. This is 2 inches or more, and it is blowing out here. Waiting for the light to turn on there. Look at it, we got light now. Gotta find my pair of gloves here. Enter in the car. Then we're gonna go do snow down at the church. Go to Bill's and get another one of these brushes for the truck. Where it's not blowing, doesn't seem to be that much snow. Maybe we better take the snowblower with just in case. Well, it doesn't look like the city plowed it at all. I just left it all there. And that's 7:27 is hour for church. Tony hasn't come plowing yet. We never really talked to him about it yet. It's kind of been just a good old, buddy thing, shake a hand thing where you just, yep, I'll do it. So I think I'm just gonna start blowing it toward the building with the snowblower. And hope for the best here. Yeah. But she's looking sexy, isn't she? Neighbors probably think I'm just a goofball over here videotaping my truck. Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Not stealing nothing. Ooh. eyelashes are frozen to my glasses. It's so cold and the snow was blowing at me like 100 miles per hour. Couldn't even tell where I was going. Now I gotta shovel all this stuff here. Put a little gas in the old girl here. She's a little thirsty. Now, get a little gas here for the snowblower and get a mixed oil. And then go home and do chores and go to the tree farm. Lolly found a stick. Now she's all happy. What you doing, Lolly?